my fantastic chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to make a caprese salad, but I don't have fresh basil, so I'm going to spice things up by subbing with Italian seasoning. What I used to prepare this was a ball of fresh mozzarella. That's right, that's how you pronounce it, mozzarella. If my grandma heard me saying mozzarella like a mook, I'd get the wooden spoon. Then, you gotta get your hands on a nice thick Jersey tomato. Then, some good olive oil and Italian seasoning. You could also go with good old salt and pepper, but the dried herbs are good enough for my ugly mug. With that said, let's get cooking. Kick things off by cutting out the root end. You can go in at an angle and cut like a 45-degree angle underneath the root end all the way around in a circular motion, and it should pop right out. You can eat this. I eat it on my tomato sandwiches. You normally don't even bother cutting it out unless I'm making this for a cooking video or my son. And then slice the tomato slices into thick slices. We're making a salad here. There ain't no room for sliced crapola. Then slice the mutts. If you have 5 tomato slices, cut 5 cheese slices. If you go 6, do 6. If you wind up with a small slice for yourself, so be it. Stack the mutt slices on top of the tomato slices, like so. Then season with Italian seasoning, or salt and pepper, or both. I am grating the Italian seasoning with my fingers as I crush it so that it can drop onto the cheese and tomato stacks. I'm doing this up high. You can't really tell, but I'm about a foot above the cheese. Then drizzle a good quality olive oil on top. Really coat it with the olive oil. I'm not a fan personally, but balsamic vinaigrette pairs nicely here too. Then serve and enjoy. Please let me know what you think. If you made this recipe, did you tweak it at all? Do you have any suggestions? How do you whip up a caprese salad? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support you all have shown me. You are so very kind. I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Manja. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!